Hello my dears, here's Sally, and today we are doing a meditation for beginners, or if you need, back to basics. It's always good to have a good foundation where you can stick to and go back to. Give yourself 10 minutes where you are totally focused 100% here. Curious to explore something new about yourself. What can you explore new? What you don't know about yourself? Are you curious for new sensations? So find for today your posture. If you prefer standing or lying, then go for it. But today I would love to invite you for sitting. Make it as comfortable as you can have it. Your spine is long and elongated. Take a pillow to sit more comfortable and don't sit in the middle. Come to the edge of the pillow where your hip is starting to move forward. This is exactly the point where we want to be. So your lower back is really straight, and this is a good foundation so your whole spine is long and elongated and you don't fall forward in the meditation. And if you choose next time the same posture, it's more easy to get deeper and more quick into the same level of meditation, to the same level of consciousness. Your hands are on the knees, the palm is facing down if you want to look more inside, to connect deeper. The palms are facing up if you want to receive more, whatever you need to receive right now. Thumb and index finger are softly touching each other in Chin Mudra. It's the mudra to let your energy better flow. And with a curious smile, close your eyes. Feel into your feet and wiggle them a little bit, your toes. Really connect with your feet. And from there, feel your whole legs, feel your buttock, feel the whole connection to the ground where you touch it. From there, if you have a good foundation, go to your spine with your awareness. Inhale, go vertebra by vertebra all the way up to your head. Elongate inside. Exhale, go down again. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down the spine. Take a few more breaths in your own rhythm. Connect with your spine. Connect with your feeling inside. Next time, inhale. Feel your head. Relax your face. Move your jaw a little bit to the left, to the right. Make small circles. Really relax your jaw. When your face is relaxed, your whole body is more relaxed. And then bring your whole awareness to your breath. Inhale and exhale. Continue with your normal breathing. Don't change it. Just be like a good observer. Everything is okay. If it's quick, if it's slow, if it's in the rhythm, how does it feel? Tender or strong? Just get aware of it. How is your breath? Inhale, I know I'm breathing in. Exhale, I know I'm exhaling. Breathing in, I know I'm breathing in. Exhaling, I know I am exhaling. Find your rhythm. When thoughts are coming, it's okay. Just be aware of it and let them go with the exhale. Come back to your breathing. Don't focus on your thoughts, focus on your breathing. Maybe you can also feel the air. With the inhale, it's more cold. With the exhale, it's more warm from your body. You can also see it like you are the surfer. You're riding the wave. You're on top. Your awareness is totally focused. You're conscious what you're doing right now. Conscious about what is happening. And if a thought is coming and you stick to it, maybe the wave is getting you and you're into the water again. Then you just need to start again. Focus on your inhale. I know I am inhaling. Exhale. I know I am exhaling. Take a few more breaths in your own rhythm. Slowly, we want to turn back to reality. Open your eyes just 10% and stay focused inside. Just get the light through your eyes in. Open your eyes for 20%. Your focus is totally inside in your body, in your breathing. But you let the light come into you. 30%. And if it's too quick or you lose your concentration, then just close your eyes again a little bit. Find your connection to yourself and open your eyes Again, 40, 50, it's getting more bright, you're coming back. Take your time until your eyes are totally open, you're focused inside, and send yourself, not only from your thoughts, also in your face, give yourself a smile. Thank yourself that you explored yourself in a new way. And whenever today it's really stressful, remind yourself of this peace, of this joy, and just inhale. Be aware you're here, everything is okay. Exhale, release. And whenever you need more meditation with me, you're more than welcome to join me again. If you enjoyed the time with me, I would love to have you as my follower. Click right now the button. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for your time and energy. Namaste.